Welcome into the era of AI. Hello there and welcome. In this particular lecture, we're going to introduce you to what you can expect from the course, as well as how this course is organized, so that you know what to do and how much you need to wait for you to acquire this skill. So the course is using ChatGPT and CapCut to create an AI Hollywood movie on a budget. And when we said that, we really meant it, because this is what this course is about. At the end of it, you're going to be equipped to create your own movie. I have to tell you that this is pre-Sora. We're not going to use Sora AI because Sora is still not out here. But when Sora basically comes to reality, it's going to be a game changer. You know why? Because the best AI tools in the world today can only generate 4 seconds worth of video, right? AI or Sora by OpenAI is going to be able to generate 1 minute, not just 1 minute. It's going to be much more realistic and actually looking even more realistic than reality itself. That's according to what we saw as videos on OpenAI, or we call them video samples. Now, here's how this course is going to be planned. We're going to get started by introducing you to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is what we're going to utilize to generate the script, as well as in a major way, it is the brain behind the video. So I have to introduce you to it. I also have to introduce you to the ChatGPT phone app, which, believe me, is amazing. And for one reason is because on the phone app, you can actually talk to ChatGPT. You can talk to it and it can generate images for you. It can generate anything you want, right? And you can do it while talking to it instead of typing, which can sometimes take more time. We're going to introduce you to Leonardo AI, which is a tool that we use to create motion. Motion in this case is video, right? So the video footage that you've seen in the video, in major part, we have used Leonardo AI motion feature. And pretty much, we're going to introduce you to Runway ML, which can also generate videos based on text, as well as Pika Labs, which can also generate videos based on text. So 3 options are out there for you. And for me personally, I use all 3 of them because I have a membership in all 3 of them. But in your case, go with the one that is good according to your budget. I would say Leonardo AI is less expensive and can generate much more. In the second order, Runway ML. Third order, Pika Labs. Leonardo AI is much more complete because it can generate images, videos, and a lot of things, of course. Leonardo AI is a 12-hour course in and by itself. I cannot talk about it in 2 seconds, but I'm going to introduce you to the very tool that we use for the sake of creating an AI Hollywood movie on a budget. Runway ML is another great tool. It's actually more than great if you get to learn how to use it. It's complex, but it's great. And it's also, if you want to generate videos, I think you can generate them under the free trial just to get your first videos. But generally speaking, if you want to create something such as the project that I've shown you, which is a 5-minute video, you're going to have to switch to the Pro plan. Now, Pika Labs is another great tool, right? Pika Labs is great. It can generate video based on text, and we're going to introduce you to it. And like I said, go with whichever one of them you like. Then we're going to introduce you to CapCut. CapCut is the software that's going to help us put everything together: video, audio, sound effects, music, and also to add the captions to the video, add effects, and also add transitions. And when it comes to voiceover, we need an AI tool to do the voiceover for us because we're not going to be uttering the voiceover. We need some robot that sounds human to utter the voiceover. For instance, in the video that you've watched, that is an AI voiceover. We need sound effects and music, and I'll show you how you can get those from Pixabay, which is a free platform. And the good thing is that you can get these copyright free, so you will not have any issues regarding any copyright whatsoever. And then I'm going to introduce you to ChatGPT to generate the script. Already, there is a lecture at the beginning, which is introducing you to ChatGPT interface. But then again, I will show you a prompt, a special prompt that I personally would use, and I would give it to you for free if you stick around for the course. And you can use that prompt, customize it, to generate a script for any movie you want. Now, Runway ML, or after that, we're going to go and introduce you to how you can use Runway ML, Leonardo AI, Pika Labs For B-roll creation, when I say B-roll, I want you to always think video. B-roll is video footage. A video of 10 seconds can be composed of a lot of B-roll or just one B-roll. When I say that, I mean it can be a video composed of multiple small videos with some transitions. It can also be just one video of 10 seconds. That is the meaning of B-roll. Audio is audio. So there is B-roll, there is audio, and all of those are important in the creation process of a video. Now then again, at the end, we're going to go and take everything that we've created. We're going to take the voiceover. We're going to take the sound effects. We're going to take the music. We're going to take the videos that we create with the AI tools, Leonardo, Pika Labs, and Runway ML, and we're going to plug them into CapCut, and we're going to edit them nicely into a refined AI movie. When I say AI movie, it's not going to be 6 hours. Of course, you can make a 1 hour video if you want. That's going to take you a lot of time, but definitely with the teachings in this course, that's something you can shoot for if you want to do it. But we're going to show you the skill, the craft, and that's pretty much it. So right now, as we introduce you to what you can expect from the course, the next lecture is going to be about ChatGPT and an introduction to ChatGPT. Stay tuned for that one because that is crucial. ChatGPT is a crucial element of your video creation skills. And I want you to go and make sure that you focus for the next lecture. Passive Income Gen Z wishing you the best and signing out.